Hi student, today we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 3. The unit name is My Duties. In this unit, we are going to see the poem Social Responsibility. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 3, My Duties. In this unit, we are going to see the poem that is Social Responsibility. I'll recite the poem. Repeat after me. Social responsibility. Our world becomes green when you keep the surroundings clean. Our world becomes green when you keep the surroundings clean. All of us are responsible for our society. To take care of it's our duty. Be proud of yourself as a human. When you put the litter in the trash can. Reduce the use of electricity by will and help the earth grow without any hill. All should owe to do social welfare. I will start with the nature's care. Again I'll repeat. Our world becomes green when you keep the surroundings clean. All of us are responsible for our society. To take care of it's our duty. Be proud of yourself as a human. When you put the litter in a trash can. Reduce the use of electricity by will and help the earth grow without any hill. All should owe to do social welfare. I will start with nature's care. Our world becomes green when you keep the surroundings clean. If we want to keep our world clean and neat, we have to maintain all the things. The first thing, we have to keep our surroundings clean. We should not split anywhere. We should not split in the public. And we should not throw any waste in the public. The same like we should also keep our surroundings clean and tidy. It should not be dirty, it should be very tidy. Tidy means it should be very neat and good. How to maintain all those things means we can put the waste to the garbage man. We should not throw anywhere. For that, everyone is responsible in this world. Responsible means everybody must take some action to keep our worlds clean and neat. The same like whoever is there in the society, we have to make everyone responsible to make the world clean. We should take care of our duty. We should do our duties regularly. If you are doing your duty regularly, we can keep our world very clean and neat. Be proud of yourself as a human. When you put the litter in a trash can. Reduce the use of electricity by will and help the earth grow without any hill. We should be very proud. We should be very honored and proud to be an human, because when you put the litters in a trash can, litter means the waste paper, waste things, everything, we have to put it in a trash can. That means we have to put it in a dustbin. For example, we are there in the school. For example, if you are sharpening the pencil, we have to throw the waste into the dustbin. We should not throw this into the other's bag. We should not put it down. Because of that, what will happen? Every place become very dirty. So, we should do our duties properly. Reduce the use of electricity by will. We have to save the electricity, water for the next generation. Because whether we don't know whether the next generation will have electricity, water to use it. So, we have to save everything. Because of that, what will happen? Our earth become very growth and Without any hill, everybody will live in this world. Hill means without any sickness, everybody can live in this world. So, we must be proud to be an human. Whenever you throw the litters in a trash can, that means we have to put the waste in the dustbin to the garbage man. The garbage man will hand over everything to the others. So, like that we have to follow it in our future. All of us, that means all should work to do social welfare. I will start with nature's care. For example, when we are small students, what we will do? Daily we will go for a park, or weekly once we will go for a park. We will buy all the snacks item, all the things we will be having. So, if you're going for a park also, what we can do? We can throw the papers in the dustbin. We should not throw in the public places. If you see any elders also, they will be spitting in the public itself. At that time, we can help them. Don't spit in the public. Go and spit it in the restroom or whatever there in the roadside. So, we have to be very good and neat. So, we have to take a pledge that I will keep my society very clean. There was a department called PWD, that is Public Welfare Department. There is a one department which cleans all the places. The same like we can also help them to keep our natures very clean and take care of the nature. If you are taking care of our nature, it will be very good in our future. So, maintain like this the same thing. We must be proud to be an human. So, maintain clean and neat in the future also. Let us see some glossary in the poem. Responsible, in charge of, proud, glad, reduce, make something less. Vow, pledge or promise. Welfare, comfort and security. Let us find some relationship with animal. How the human being has a relation, for example, brother, sister, father, mother, like that. Animals also have a relationship. Let us find what is the young one name. We all know dog. The young one name is, it is a puppy. We can say it as pup. The same like how the human being has daughter, son, everyone. The same like they also have a young ones. Let us see the first one, bear. Bear young one's name is cub. The next one is duck. The young ones of the duck is duckling. Zebra. The young one is foal. Sheep. The young one name is lamb. Eagle. The young one name is eaglet. Fish. The young one name is fry. Owl. The young one name is owlet. Deer. The young one name is fawn. Cat. The young one name is kitten. Tiger. The young one name is cub. Ostrich. The young one name is hatchling. Frog. The young one name is tadpole. Elephant. The young one name is calf. Crane. The young one name is chick. These are the relationship with the animals and their young ones. I hope you all understood about the poem Social Responsibility and their young one names. Thank you, students.